Open the package and you will find two items, the smart plug and the user manual. Before we begin the installation, please prepare the following: the smart plug, the eWeLink app installed on your phone, and a Wi-Fi router that supports a 2.4 GHz network. Next, open the eWeLink app and go to the Scan feature. Scan the QR code on the device and select Add Device. Then, plug the smart plug into a power outlet. Press and hold the button on the device for about 5 seconds. When the LED indicator flashes with 2 short blinks and 1 long blink, the device has entered pairing mode point. Return to the app, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. After a few seconds, the device will be successfully added. Your smart plug is now connected and ready to use.